In this video, I will show you how to book a flight on Delta Airlines. So in order to do this, what you can do is you can head over to delta.com, then input right here your origin airport as well as your destination airport. So for example, let's put right here our destination city, which is also in Canada. And then let's choose in here a particular part of Canada that you want to visit. And then you can choose either round trip, one way, or multi city, and then input right here your departure as well as your return. So I input right here February 8th, and in here I will return on February 22. Click on done, and then I'll just choose one passenger and click on search right here in order to search for flights that I can book. So this will load in order to show you some results. So in here we can see some flight options. You can head over and choose from basic, main, comfort, or first class. So for this one, just choose which one do you want from this. For example, I'll just head over and then choose in here the first class and then head over and click on continue. It can also be fully refundable depending on the terms and condition that you actually chosen. And then from in there, just choose in here your return flight that you would want. Example, I'll just choose in your first class as well. And then once we have done that, you should be able to actually book the flight. It will ask for your passenger information. Then once you have done that, you should be able to get it all together in order to send it and then book it for yourself.